In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a two-lane piece of Scalextric Sport Track and turn it into a single-lane piece of Scalextric track. Why do I want to do this? Well, I'm making a pit lane for my Scalextric track, and I haven't got room to run a two-piece of track like this. Tools I need for this, not many. I obviously need the track. I need a board to rest on when I'm doing my cutting. I need a sharp knife. This one's a sort of Stanley knife with a new blade. A file, a Dremel, and a pair of goggles to use when I'm using the Dremel. Right, so I've got my bit of track now. And what I'm going to do is basically cut through all these webs here and then just score down it with the knife. So first things first, need to get the goggles on, and let's fire up the Dremel. Don't get your hands too close, but here we go. Right, there we go. I've cut through the webs now. I'm not sure if you can see that, but they're all cut through. So the next job is just to score through it with the knife. So keep your fingers away and just score down it, keeping the blade against this web here. So keep it nice and straight. Don't need to push too hard the first time. You're just making a track for the next cut to follow. It takes about 3 or 4 or 5 cuts. So there's the first cut through. Obviously keep your hands well away, because if you slip it will cut and hurt you. There we go. Starting to cut through. The plastic isn't very thick, it's quite soft, so that's good. It's going through now. You can hear it cutting the plywood underneath. There we go. Done. You can't use that piece because it hasn't got the web on the outside. It won't work very well. This is the piece I'm going to use, and it's actually quite a nice clean edge on there. So I'll just run the file off it just to get the corner and the top and the bottom, and there it is, ready to be used. So here's one I did earlier, and you'll notice that one of them's on the tags that I've on the single piece. One's not locking, one is. So if you use a locking piece, it's a locking piece. Works pretty well.